Hi, my name is Mr. Chena. Welcome you to my study room. If today is your first time, then I encourage you to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Today's study is about equation of a circle. Well, someone may ask, what is a circle? A circle is a plane figure which has equal distance from a fixed point called the center of the circle. And that distance is called the radius of a circle. Let's now go into the details of the lesson. Let me sketch my circle of radius 2.5 centimeters. There you have my circle with center here. Let me call the center C with coordinate A, B. And I have another point on the circumference of the circle. Let me call it P with coordinate X and Y. Then let me have this circle in a Cartesian plane. Good, so I have this as my x-axis and this as my y-axis. Alright, and this is my origin. Good. So if we have this circle and we decide to join the center and the point to have the radius, and I decide to create a right angle triangle with it, good. So I have my circle and I've drawn the radius, which is connecting the center and the point on the circumference. And then now I decide to trace the points to the axis. So because the center has coordinate A and B, if I trace here to the x-axis, I'm going to have here as A, and then to the y-axis is going to give us B here because B is the y coordinate. Then I trace here to the x-axis, is going to give me X, and then here to the y-axis is going to give us Y. So if this happens, then you agree with me that with here being 0 as the origin and here being Y, then this side of the triangle form, remember this is a right angle triangle. Here, this part of the triangle is going to be Y minus B, and then this part is going to be X minus A. Using Pythagoras theorem on this triangle, you are going to have r squared, which is square of the hypotenuse, being equal to x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared. And this becomes the standard form of this equation of a circle. So it means whenever you are asked to find the equation of a circle, you are given a center and a point on the circumference, you just join the center and the point to form a radius. You form a right angle triangle with a radius, then using Pythagoras theorem you get this. Let's assume the center of this circle is the origin. is here. The center of this circle is here. So let me just do that quickly to demonstrate something. Alright, now because our circle has a center being the origin, so the center will be 0, 0, and still P here will be X, Y. This point traced to the Y axis here will be Y. Then traced to the X axis here will be X. And now this formula at the top here, using, remember here is R, and then here will be Y minus 0. This side will be X minus 0. So using Pythagoras theorem again, we are going to have R squared being equal to X minus 0 all squared plus Y minus 0 all squared. And R squared is going to be equal to X minus 0 squared is X squared plus Y squared. So this is the equation of a circle that has the origin at the center of the circle, and this is it where the center is not the origin, where A and B are the center. So let's take some quick examples to show this. So the examples are the general question or general instruction, which is use the given center and radius to find the equation of each of the following circles. And the first question is a circle with center coordinate 2, 2 and radius 5 units. So it will be very necessary for us to write the standard equation of a circle. So that is square of the radius being equal to X minus A all squared plus Y minus B all squared, where A and B are the coordinate of the center and R is the radius of the circle. So in this case, this is our A, this is our B, and this is our R. And this can be rearranged to have X minus A all squared plus Y minus B all squared equals R squared. Substituting our values, we are going to have X minus 2 all squared plus Y minus 2 all squared equals 5 squared. This is X minus 2 times X minus 2 plus Y minus 2 times Y minus 2. And I'm doing this because of those who cannot use binomial expansion. But in the next example, I'm not going to be repeating these multiplications again. I'll just use binomial expansion. So X times X will give us X squared. X times negative 2 give us negative 2x. Negative 2 times x will give us negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 2 give us positive 4. Then y times y will give us y squared. Y times negative 2 give us negative 2y. Negative 2 times y will give us negative 2y. Then negative 2 times negative 2 give us positive 4 equals 25. Simplifying further, we'll have x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals 25. Rearranging and moving the 25 to the left hand side, you're going to have x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 minus 25 equals 0. And this will give us x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 4y minus 17 equals 0. And this becomes the equation of our circle with center 2, 2 and radius 5 units. We take the second example. We have to find the equation of a circle with center coordinate 0, -4 and radius 1 unit. So as usual, we are going to fix it into x minus a squared plus y minus b all squared equals r squared. Substituting the values, we are going to have x minus 0 all squared plus y minus -4 all squared equals 1 squared. And x minus 0 squared will give us x squared plus y plus 4 all squared equals 1. And this will give us x squared plus, using binomial expansion, you are going to have y squared plus 8y plus 16 equals 1. And moving 1 to the left hand side, we're going to have x squared plus y squared plus 8y plus 15 equals 0. And this is the equation of the circle we are looking for. I'll give you a third one which you should solve on your own. You pause the video, solve it and share the answer with me. And if you solve it well, you should have the answer x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 2y minus 6 equals 0. And that becomes the answer. This is just the first study on series of studies we'll be doing about the equation of a circle. In our next study, we should be doing the general equation of a circle. So I encourage you to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for making time with me and see you another day. Bye bye.